Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video and this one is from Lip Monthly again, and I am so excited to show you the new products I got for this month of August. Okay, so I did tear open the package just to make sure that this was the right package from the right company, because last time, if you guys remember, they sent me the package in like a gold envelope, but now it's just a regular yellow envelope, but it's from the right company. So okay, this month it comes in this cute little floral package, or coin purse rather, makeup bag, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now let's see what we got. Okay, so first things first, we have this Rosy Cheeks. It's 95% natural lip and cheek gel from Seraphine Botanicals. Botanicals, how do you say that word? Okay, next we have this Hikari lip and cheek stick in the color Dusk. We're going to see what that one looks like. I like the packaging on that one. And then we also have this. It says it's a lip locked priming lip wand by Manana Kadar. Okay, finally we have this Lord and Berry lip pencil in the color Romantic Rose. I already love the color based on the pen sole, so I hope I love it on my lips. I'll tell you guys the price after I show it to you guys, just so we can see if it's actually worth said price, okay? So we're going to try out this Rosy Cheeks first and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is 95% natural. It has no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten. It's hypoallergenic, and it's in the color Bloom. So let's see what Bloom looks like. And it says to just take a dot and dot it on your lips or your cheeks. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's try my lips first. I'm guessing it's supposed to be more of a stain than... I actually like this stuff because it feels like nothing is on your lips at all. Ah! Okay. So this is how it looks just from putting 2 applications on. I like the way it makes your lips feel because it doesn't feel like anything is on them. It did stain my fingers though. It doesn't really have a taste. And I feel like you could put chapstick over it if you feel like you need to, or if you just are used to having chapstick on. Okay, but now we're going to try it on my cheek, and I'm scared. Let's do that at the end of the video so I don't look crazy. Okay, let's see how easy it is to get off. Like I said, my fingers are stained so bad, and it's not coming off at all. So I'm guessing it's not going to come off my lips. So it means it's very kissable proof. but it might be a little bit hard to get off of your lips and your fingers if you choose to use your fingers, which I do not suggest. Okay. Let's move on to the next product, which is this Hikari lip and cheek stick. Why does it look like my lip is bleeding? Okay, and this is in the color Dusk. So this is a huge stick. Let's see what this color looks like. Dear God. Okay, so it looks really pigmented in the tube, but let's see what it looks like when it actually goes on my lips and then my cheek. So I do not like this color. So I'm not a big fan of this color. The texture of this feels like it gets moved around a little bit too much. It doesn't feel like it's actually ever going to dry. And it does come off pretty easily. Okay, let's try this cheek and see. Okay, I do like it as a blush, but not as a lipstick. Okay, let's see what this Rosy Cheeks is about on my cheeks. Oh God. I think I like the Hikari lip and cheek stick better for my cheek, but I like the Rosy Cheeks better for my lip than I do for my cheek, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I'm gonna try this lip pencil out first, and then I'm gonna try this Manana lip wand because they're similar in color. So I'm just gonna see what they look like paired together. Oh God, it smells like a crayon. But I do like this paired together, and I do like the color. I think with like a brown lip liner, it could be toned down. So I'm going to take my 1000 Kisses lip pencil in the color Coffee Bean and pair it with this and see how that turns out. Hopefully it will tone it down just a bit. So thumbs up for that one. Okay, so that is all of the products. I feel like that went by really fast. So the Seraphine Lip and Cheek Gel, which I think might be my favorite thing out of this entire bag this month, goes for about $20, which I think is phenomenal because it can be used as two things and it doesn't feel like anything is there, and it's like it doesn't transfer. So how can you get any better than that? Okay, and then the Manana Kadara lip crayon it runs for about $24. That's not horrible, but I really do not like when my lip products or any of my makeup products smell like a crayon or anything I don't know. I feel like it's so simple to add a scent or flavor or anything to your cosmetic to prevent it from smelling so unappealing. So for $24, I think that it could have a better smell. The Hikari Cosmetics Dual Color Stick, which was the jumbo stick that you can use for your lips or for your cheeks. I did not like it for my lips, but I love it for my cheeks. And that runs for about $15. Again, can you use this two things? And that's not bad at all. $15, that's actually pretty good. Okay, for the Lord & Berry lip liner, that runs for about $10. I do like the texture of it. The color for me would be a little too bright to line my lips, but I could definitely fill in my lips with that color. So the total value of this bag for the month of August ran for about $69. If you want to receive September's bag for free, all you have to do is refer a friend and your September bag will be sent to you for free. And for those of you who still have not ordered anything from this site, don't forget to use my discount code, which I will leave down here, to get 55% off of your first bag. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about your products in this month's bag, or if you didn't receive it, or if you haven't ordered one yet. Let me know if you plan on ordering one so we can, talk about the things that we're going to get for our September bag. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you as always.